Welcome, art enthusiasts and interior design aficionados, to a journey where creativity meets craftsmanship. Today, we will delve into the enchanting world of wooden wall art, exploring how these masterpieces not only captivate the eyes but also elevate the ambience of any space they adorn. Wooden wall art is more than just decor. It's a testament to the fusion of nature's beauty and human creativity. Crafted from various types of wood, each piece boasts unique textures, grains, and colors that adds depth and character to any room. Whether it's a rustic reclaimed wood installation or a polished modern design, wooden wall art has the power to transform a blank wall into a captivating canvas. What sets wooden wall art apart is the meticulous craftsmanship behind each creation. Talented artisans employ a range of techniques, from intricate carving to precise laser cutting, to bring these pieces to life. The details matter, and the marriage of artistic vision and skilled hands results in wooden wall art that not only serves as a visual delight, but also testament to the dedication of its creators. The versatility of wooden wall art allows it to seamlessly integrate into a myriad of design styles. Whether you are aiming for a cozy rustic atmosphere or a sleek modern look, there is a wooden wall art piece to suit your aesthetic preferences. The ability to customize these pieces further ensures that your space reflects your individual style, making each installation a unique expression of creativity. Let's take a moment to appreciate the process behind the creation of wooden wall art. From the selection of premium wood materials to the intricate design phase, each step is a labor of love. Some artists embrace the natural imperfections of the wood, allowing notes and grains to become integral elements of the artwork, while others meticulously shape and sand to achieve a flawless finish. Beyond their visual appeal, wooden wall art pieces offer a tactile and sensory experience. Running your fingers over the surface allows you to feel the natural contours of the wood, creating a connection with the art that goes beyond mere observation. The warmth of wood adds an organic element to the space, inviting touch and further enhancing the overall sensory experience. In an age where sustainability is at the forefront of our minds, many artists and manufacturers prioritize the use of sustainable and reclaimed wood for their creations. This not only contributes to the preservation of our forests, but also adds a layer of authenticity to each piece, as the history of the wood becomes part of the narrative told by the artwork. Wooden wall art transcends the boundaries of traditional decor, offering a blend of artistic expression and natural beauty. These pieces have the power to transform any space into a gallery of personal style, showcasing the marriage of craftsmanship and creativity. So, Whether you're a lover of contemporary design or a fan of rustic charm, consider adorning your walls with the timeless allure of wooden wall art. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of wooden wall art. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of art and design. Until next time, may your spaces be filled with the enchantment of wooden wall art.